guys, welcome to episode 2 for Halloween Day. We're going to be doing a lot of episodes today, at least we'll try to do 5.
Yeah.
But the episode before, if you were watching this, and haven't watched Sonic EXE, I pissed my pants.
And well, it wasn't that scary, but
the ending.
It knew my name. Literally there was no, like...
Okay, we're not gonna spoil any more for you, just go watch the video.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna read some creepypastas, and
we're gonna do like a before-after videos. So like this is before, we're not dying.
We're gonna read the Sonic EXE story, which I still don't know. I just played the game before he did. So.
Yeah, I don't know. I just played the game. It wasn't that scary. Creepypasta's probably gonna be scarier. What do you say?
Let's go.
Right, see you in 2 seconds, guys. Well, for you guys, 2 seconds.
The creepypasta for Sonic.exe.
I'm scared to look behind me.
Yeah, we were going out to buy burritos from Taco Bell, and Ace scared the shit out of me by telling me that the game popped out of the screen by itself.
Yeah, he was pretty shit scared.
I was really scared. I was too scared to come in the house.
Yeah, he was too scared, and then even after he came in the house, he was too scared to come in my room. Okay, yeah, so this is the after video, and I'm scared.
Fuck my life.
Sorry for his antics, I guess. Okay, bye.
Bye. Hi guys, we're really scared right
now.
We were about to play a horror game called Stairs, and we were just watching a random YouTube video, and the weirdest thing just happened. Sonic.exe just turned on by itself. And
I swear I didn't turn it. I deleted it, and then it said I am God, and then oh my God. I'm not gonna touch the computer. You see it? It's like right there.
We were terrified, and then we didn't.
We're literally like 5 feet away from it because I'm scared. It's like a ghost computer. So yeah.
And we just watched Blinky.
Yeah, it's not that scary. Anyway.
Are you freaking serious?
Alright. So, you wanna go outside? Just cause. And we're back. And I'm scared.
Let's just chill here, bro.
Yeah. Away from all the scary stuff.
I'm gonna go get my sweater. I'm fucking home.
You alone? I don't want you to go alone. Alright guys, this is this scary. Let's go. You know they can see us and
I don't care.
Okay.
We need to grab.
Oh, okay, good. It's not in my room.
I need to go Drago.
Dude, don't say that on camera.
I don't give a shit.
Close the door.
Bye, Sonic.
Alright, chilling in the backyard. I'm scared.
Holy shit.
Dude, our grapevines are terrible right now.
Those are grapevines?
Mm-hmm. And these are guavas.
Sexy.
Yeah, but oh God.
Dude, your computer's like gone. I'm never taking anything again.
It knew my name!
And
how does it know? No, actually, how does it know my name?
I don't know. So guys, we watched a video, another guy, like, I'm like basically giving a shout out to another YouTube channel. We watched Dan and Phil Games play, that game, and it knew their name too, so I'm guessing it's not like just for us, I'm guessing this is for multiple people. And yeah, I'm basically scared as fuck. We're too scared to stay in the house.
Hey, you don't have to stay here.
Yeah, I feel sorry for Ace, and it's his computer too.
And it's in my room.
Good luck sleeping tonight.
I don't think I will be. By the way, guys, it's October 31st. If you didn't know.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloweeny. Alright. Alone. Let's stop.
My heart.
It's okay.
What the fuck?
Sidon has heart troubles.
Yes. How?
That's not possible. It knew my name. It probably hacks into your like files or something. But how does it know that it's a name? Like,
What's your the login name? Probably like when you like log in, it says like Akshit Panapura. Probably it's because of that.
I hope it's because of that.
I'm so scared.
Today's Halloween.
You
Why'd you make me play that game?
I didn't know.
You rigged it. You rigged it. You did something. What did you do?
Nothing. I just told you to download the game, and you're the one who downloaded from that creepy website. I was about to tell you to download off a faithful website that didn't have hacks in it, but
It was the same website. No.
oh yeah, we want to stalk our friend who lives underneath us.
They have a swimming pool. It's not fair. Hey, since they're our friend, we could literally just jump over and go to their pool.
And do what with them?
Nah, that's like.
Look at this awesome view we have from his house.
Oh,
His
that's
house.
a good view, dude.
Bruh. I don't think
Bruh.
you can see. There we go. And we live in Westwood. I'm not gonna tell you where. But we live in Westwood, an awfully beautiful place, and it's really cloudy today.
It's actually like the first cloudy.
Are we going trick-or-treating today?
Are you? Because I might.
I don't know.
Because if you're going, then I'll probably be going, and then we can do like. Except it'll be really dark. Oh, we can do vlogs of scaring the people, giving us candy so they drop the ball, and then we take the ball and run. Or not. We can't do that.
I wish. Beautiful view. I like his house, but like the view is much better than ours. We just live on a mountain. Like if you can see that mountain over there, right there is where. Wait, you can't see it. Right there, that mountain. On the base of that is where I live. So I have a somewhat decent view. I can see like that direction, but in this direction you can see X's house.
Yep.
Yeah. So, as you can tell, my hand's shaking quite greatly because I'm still thinking about Sonic.
Blinky.
Shut up about goddamn Blinky. Okay. I swear, if they make robot helpers in the future, I'm not gonna buy them. I'll kill myself instead, because they will go like. Watch Blinky.
Like, if you get mad, you just say, "Oh yeah, kill me," and then they're gonna do it because they can't help it. They're gonna do it. They're gonna die. It's getting cold outside. Maybe Sonic's doing it so that we have to go back in.
Fuck you, Sonic. Never going back in there. And there's a lot of wax right there.
Yeah, it's from a candle.
Ew, it's all watery.
That did not work.
Do it again, do it again.
Why?
Let's do it again. Right, Ace is stunt man. Alright. We gotta change the battery pack.
Yeah, oh, we have to go in for that.
Hi guys. We found out the reason why it kept on popping up.
Actually, we don't know the reason. I just know
we
that
don't know the reason, but it turns out he doesn't know how to delete downloads.
fully. So
and like this in like the download settings, he just said remove from list on the online, and I was like, at first I never see him delete something before, so I was like, what are you doing? And then afterwards it says remove from list, and I'm like, dude, go to downloads and search if it's still there, and it was. And the next thing you know, we minimize it, and there's 3 Sonic EXEs going at the same time, and it was like, dude, and we were like, ah!
I was actually really scared, because, I mean, if there was one, then I know that I pressed it once. But I'm pretty sure I pressed it only once, and 3 came up, and that's, not normal. So,
I immediately, as soon as I heard that music and saw Sonic's face, I was like, fuck.
He ran. He ran.
I ran. And he had his glasses on, and I heard him scream, I heard him scream, and then after that I was like, my ears, I was like making them move, so I could only hear the sound of my hands making my ears move, nothing else, because I was too scared.
I swear,
do not expect us to do any type of horror game next Halloween, because
actually, I think we're gonna become a little more, I'm fine, I'm ready to play another game, but this kid here, he's just like, no.
my nerves are jumpy still.
So you're probably seeing another horror game in like 10 minutes.
But only with him, probably.
Yeah.
Me, mostly a commentator, most likely.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be. If we're playing Minecraft, maybe. Like a Minecraft.
Horror game?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe Minecraft like Asylum or something.
We could do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My heart, if you guys could hear it, it's like.
Like he does at night. Okay.
I was about to say nothing perverted, but okay. And guys, we may be going trick-or-treating tonight, and if we do, we may vlog for a little bit, but
Just
don't count on it.
yeah. But if we do, then I guess
We're sending all hopes out to you, Eiko, Uni, Dirty Dan, and Mr. Ulab123.
Who's Eiko Uni?
I don't know.
Alright, thanks, and
I love you, Eiko, Uni.
because you have a link thing, that's probably why you left.
I do. I love Link.
Okay, bye!
We'll subscribe to you, Eiko, Uni.
That's an empty promise. Never mind. I'm kidding. Okay, bye!
End.
Alright, I just want to say thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.